Hey y'all, so today my dad and I are going to do a quick review of this electric trailer jack right here. The brand did compensate us for this review, but let's go ahead and check it out. My dad was so tired of having to crank this huge trailer by hand every single time that he wanted to use it. So if you're like him and you're tired of cranking your trailer jack by hand, this 7,500 pound electric trailer jack is a must-have upgrade. My dad was so excited to get rid of that manual hand crank. He simply just unbolted all three bolts and he took the old one off and he's dropped the new one right in. This heavy-duty carbon steel jack lifts up to 7,500 pounds with a powerful 12-volt DC motor, so it makes hitching and leveling effortless. It does have an adjustable height from about 10.2 inches to about 33.5 inches, so you can say goodbye to tilting trailers and get the perfect setup every single time. The waterproof control buttons and built-in LED light make it easy to see at night or in the rain, so no more struggling in the dark trying to hold a flashlight. That light is great to have. It is super bright. The button setup is really easy to use. It has a manual up and down button, so you can push and hold it to manually take it up and down, or you can just push up or down and it will automatically go without you having to hold the button. It does have an integrated spirit level, which helps you get your trailer perfectly horizontal. With a simple 2-wire connection and no grounding issues, installation was a complete breeze. You just connect it and you're ready to go. It works on RVs, horse trailers, utility trailers like we have here, and so much more. Plus, it includes a manual hand crank just in case of a power outage, so you're never stranded if you don't have power. It does have the manual hand crank, so definitely upgrade your towing setup with this electric trailer jack. It's strong, reliable, and built for the road, and I hope this helps.